We go now to our reporter Krista Campbell's story of a woman's fight to get help for a neighbor whose health and house are badly deteriorating.
In Fraser's Content Spanish Town, St. Catherine, you'll find 60-year-old Augustus Smith, better known as Oliver. A close look at the outside of his house tells a tale of lack, but inside paints a darker picture of despair.
I beat myself 1 or 2 times, you understand? I mean, I still gonna beat myself and get myself, So my time I never water house, but I'm still.
Eudalyn Thompson Durkee has been trying to get help from government agencies for the past few months, but she says she's not been successful and the situation has gotten more urgent.
There are a lot of lizards in the house, and I'm so afraid of the lizards, so I couldn't go in there to do any tidying up. I wanted help. So I said the first thing he needs medical attention before any house or anything else can be done.
Medical attention because Oliver has a host of health issues, including diabetes and arthritis.
During the December period, the last time that I visited him with a food parcel, I brought some cooked food and a food parcel to him, and I noticed how swollen his foot was and how sick he looked, and I questioned him, asking his name and everything, if he have any family members, because I said he can stay in the house and die and no one knows, so.
Since in the last month, Miss One, my foot start swell. And then I say, what this man? Let me start feel some burning in my foot. If I go there, so, I anyway, would have to stop and rest. You come like, me sick me at all. If you take all extra and what probably to me if you take. So you got me got a doctor said me sick body inside.
His parents, a sister overseas, and a woman who used to care for him have all died. And since he has no children and can no longer earn his own money, Oliver depends on the kindness of others to survive.
Now some people come with pass and carry food for me now. And the church when we go, when we used to go, them carry things gonna give me to.
Mrs. Thompson Durkee also brings him meals every month and keeps in touch with him by phone. She wants urgent attention to treat the sores and swelling in his feet before they get any worse. If you want to help Augustus Oliver Smith, call Eudalyn Thompson Durkee at 876-821-9895. That's 876-821-9895. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.